Best bowls for men. Good bowling shoes have soles designed for sliding and braking. This helps bowlers maintain control. Different shoes are suited for different styles and preferences. Some have interchangeable soles for customization. Others focus on durability and style. Choosing the best pair involves considering factors like fit, material, and features. Investing in quality shoes ensures a better experience on the lanes. Enjoy bowling with the perfect pair. List number: KR Flyer Mesh Black Steel 10.0. Discover the sleek elegance of the KR Flyer Mesh Black Steel 10.0. Its modern design complements any outfit effortlessly. Lightweight and comfortable, it supports daily adventures with ease. Durable materials ensure long-lasting wear and reliability. Perfect for those who appreciate style and practicality. Advantages: stylish design enhances appearance. The KR Flyer Mesh Black Steel 10.0 boasts sleek, modern looks. It complements any setting, making it a trendy choice. Durability ensures long-lasting use. Constructed with quality materials, this product withstands daily wear. Reliable performance for years. Comfort provides a pleasant experience. Mesh design offers breathable comfort, perfect for extended use. Enjoy a cozy seat without discomfort. Versatility suits different needs. Ideal for various environments, from homes to offices. Fits effortlessly into any space. Easy maintenance saves time. Simple cleaning keeps the KR Flyer looking fresh and new. Minimal upkeep required. List number 2. KR Aviator Gray 11.0. Discover the sleek design of the KR Aviator Gray 11.0. Perfect for style-conscious individuals. Its lightweight build ensures comfort throughout the day. The subtle gray tone adds elegance, blending effortlessly with any outfit. High-quality materials promise durability and lasting appeal. Ideal for those seeking both fashion and function. Experience a blend of comfort and style with every wear. Advantages: stylish design enhances any outfit effortlessly. Stand out confidently. Lightweight build ensures comfortable wear all day. No strain. Durable materials promise long-lasting use. Value for money. Versatile color matches various styles easily. Perfect for any occasion. Affordable price makes it accessible for everyone. Enjoy quality. List number: Brunswick Men's Bowling Shoes Royal White. Step into comfort with Brunswick Men's Bowling Shoes. Designed for reliability, these shoes offer a snug fit for all-day wear. The royal and white design adds a touch of style. Lightweight construction ensures easy movement on the lanes. Perfect for anyone who enjoys bowling. Advantages: stylish design. Brunswick Men's Bowling Shoes feature a sleek, royal white look. Eye-catching in any setting. Perfect for standing out on the lanes. Comfortable fit, crafted with soft materials for all-day comfort. Ideal for long games. No more foot discomfort during bowling sessions. Enhanced performance. Specially designed soles provide excellent slide control. Improve your game. Experience better balance and stability with every throw. Durable construction, built to withstand frequent use. Long-lasting wear without quick wear out. Save money in the long run. Lightweight feel. Light materials make these shoes easy to wear. Move effortlessly. Enjoy a relaxed bowling experience without heavy footwear. List 4. Brunswick Bowling Products Men's Renegade Bowling Shoes. Experience exceptional comfort with the Brunswick Renegade Bowling Shoes. Designed for men, they offer a sleek black and royal design. Lightweight and durable, these shoes support your game with ease. The non-marking soles ensure smooth movement on the lanes. Perfect for casual or serious bowlers alike. Size 14 fits well, offering stability and style. Advantages: Brunswick Renegade shoes offer comfort for long bowling sessions. Feet stay cushioned, reducing fatigue and discomfort during play. Stylish design combines black and royal colors. Adds flair to your bowling attire and boosts confidence on the lanes. Durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. No frequent replacements needed, saving both time and money. Lightweight construction enhances mobility and agility. Quick movements become effortless. improving your overall game experience. Reliable grip prevents slipping on the approach, helps maintain balance, leading to better shots and scores. List number 5, Pyramid Men's Path Light Seamless Mesh, Black Royal Blue. Step into comfort with Pyramid Men's Path Light Seamless Mesh Shoes. Designed in sleek black and royal blue. Perfect for everyday wear. The seamless mesh ensures breathability and flexibility. Lightweight design offers easy movement all day. Ideal for those who value style and comfort. Advantages: experience unmatched comfort with Pyramid Men's Path Light shoes. The seamless mesh design ensures breathability, keeping feet cool and dry. Lightweight structure offers easy movement and flexibility. Stylish black and royal blue colors suit any outfit. Durable materials promise long-lasting wear.